Well, hello friends and followers. This is day number 3, trying to condense the office amateur radio room down to the bare essentials and pack them up. I still gotta pack my office desk, and since there's no work tomorrow, this is gonna get packed up today and moved downstairs. I will leave the internet running down here with the EERO router running off Cox. And pack the printer. I don't think anything else is going to sell on eBay to need labels. And there's my internet wire, and it comes from upstairs over the home Ethernet. Get that packed up. I guess I'll leave that intact. Dining room chair, that goes back downstairs. Trusty VoIP phone. And there's a cart that's been really handy just to carry things out of the house and down the street, for neighbors to have free things. And here's most of the desk, and amateur radio remains packed in a box. This scope is horrendous. I don't want to really trash it because I have a spectrum analyzer module for it, and it's just kind of a funky scope. But it's probably the hardest thing I have to get transport. It's, I don't know if it's 90 pounds, 80 pounds. It'll probably be in the back of the car. Or else it's going to get donated to somebody. I don't know what's going to happen to that yet. That's about it. Everything else is done around here. The movers are going to take this bed down. I guess I'll take this bed apart myself. I still got to pack this place up a bit. Bedroom, which is a shambles. Closets have been packed up mostly. Still a lot to do in here. Bathroom's packed up, and I put the crappy lights they had in the house 3 years ago back into sockets because I'm not gonna leave my expensive LED lights here. Bathroom shower curtain's gotta go. It's coming along. The upstairs is almost done. This bed, the movers will take it. I guess I could disassemble it, which I should probably do today. And nothing in there. There's still some work in here to do. That's about it for the upstairs. The downstairs is a shambles with things and boxes all over. Let's not go down there in this video. We'll stay up here. All right, that's my status in the move here. Some people want to know what's going on, so this is what's going on. Lots of packing. After about 5 days of this, 6 days, you're just kind of done. I'm ready for the movers to come on Friday and conclude this whole process of getting this house packed up. And here's the view out the window of the neighbor's house. And that's where my antenna was. I did leave the neighbor a nice big piece of wood that I had that he could probably use. All right, that's my video. Not so exciting, but it's the reality of the situation. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.